Lakshmi and welcome back to my channel Lakshmi's Passion. Hope you all have seen my first part of unboxing this gimbal device. If not, please go and check out the link of part 1 in the description box. As I said in the part 1 video, today I'm going to talk about the more operational features of this gimbal device. So let's start. This device has 3 motors. First, second and third. These 3 motors are really helpful for controlling the movements of your phone while recording. On the front face of this device, you can see 3 buttons. M for power button, record button for recording and the joystick button for controlling the motors of this device. Let me explain everything in detail. In order to power on this gimbal device, you need to press and hold this M button. If you press the same button once again, then the device will go to standby mode. If you double click this M button, then the phone mode will change from landscape to portrait and vice versa. In order to power off this gimbal device, you need to press and hold the M button for a few seconds. Next is the joystick button and it can be used for controlling your video recordings. Now I will show you how to move your camera towards left, right, top and bottom using this joystick button. Now I am moving towards left, towards right, towards top and towards bottom. Recording button is used for taking videos and photos. You can see one button which is on the left hand side of this gimbal device used for zoom in and zoom out operations. You can press and hold the trigger button on the back side of this gimbal device and start recording. This will keep your phone stable and will not move to any other directions until you release it. Now I will show you how to do recording using this trigger button. If you double click the trigger button, then the gimbal device will make your phone steady. Now I will show you how to do this. Now you can see my phone is steady. If you triple click the trigger button, it will switch your camera from front to rear view and vice versa. Now I will show you how to do it. There is one mode called Sport mode. In order to enable this, you need to press and hold the trigger button once. It mainly uses the high efficiency of the motors and there will not be any jerkings while recording. Now I will show you how to do this. One of the best features of this gimbal device is active tracking. Once you enable the active tracking, the gimbal device will track the movement of the object wherever it goes. Now I will show you how to do it. You can see the difference of video recording with gimbal and without gimbal. The battery backup of this device will last for 10 to 12 hours, depends upon the weight of the phone and its lens adjustments. This device has 2 slots. The first one is the C port, which is used for charging this gimbal device, and the second one is the USB port, which is used for charging your phone while recording. This is the C port and this is the USB port. This device is very easy to handle. If you need more comfortability, then you can use a tripod along with this device. This is the tripod. Here is the area where you can fix this. Now the tripod is ready. From my personal experience, I would highly recommend you all to buy this amazing device for good quality video recordings. Hope you all enjoyed my unboxing video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get all of my notifications. For more interesting videos, please stay tuned to Lakshmi's Passion. Until then, it's me Lakshmi saying goodbye. Thank you.